How to kill watergrass. Watergrass is a general term used to describe a wide variety of grassy weed species. It thrives in a wet environment. Some species grow in water, while others thrive on soggy ground and lawns. It's important to kill watergrass because it can choke off other plants. Methods of eliminating watergrass depend on where it's located. Things you'll need: herbicide, tarp, rocks, garbage bags, soil, grass seed, sod, goat, grass carp. Treat the grass with a non-selective herbicide. The University of Illinois Extension and Texas AgriLife Extension Service websites both recommend a herbicide with a glyphosate solution. Consult a local Department of Agriculture to find out what herbicide works best. Block the sunlight where watergrass is growing. Place a weed cloth over area and cover with a tarp, rocks or garbage bags. Watergrass does not need a lot of sunlight, but it does need some. This method will only work in small areas of watergrass growth. Dig up the watergrass thoroughly. Dig deeply to remove the roots. Dig carefully to avoid spreading seeds to other areas. Remove the source of the water, if possible. Grade the lawn and stop water from draining into the area. Spread dry soil and reseed or resod the dug-up area. Apply a fertilizer regularly. Allow a goat to graze in the area. Stock grass carp in ponds or lakes with watergrass. Goats and fish will feed off the watergrass shoots. They won't kill the watergrass, but they will control its growth. Tips: warnings. Removing all the seeds and roots is difficult, so don't be surprised if some watergrass grows back.